Hello, welcome to Vlogmas Day 22 and yes, you're right, मैंने Day 21 and Day 22 का वीडियो यही बैठ के अभी शूट कर रही हूँ मैं because I have a lot to edit. But anyway, this is gonna be me going through my gallery and seeing highlights of every month and then I'll share it with you guys. It's sort of a selfish video because honestly ये दोनों videos recap of 2021 and highlights of 2021 are sort of for me so that they serve as a time capsule to me after a few years because I obviously want to look back and know that कैसी गई है मेरी life उस time पर. Let's get into it. January was I rekindled my relationship with dance and I danced for myself after a long time and I also made a video. It was Olivia Rodrigo's driver's license wala song, so I connected to dance through that song again and I danced my heart out. So that was Jan ka highlight. Feb mein there were three things that stood out for me. First was I went to this cafe with a friend and मैं वहाँ बहुत टाइम से जाना चाहती थी. So I finally got the chance to go there. वहाँ पे मैंने pancakes खाए थे. They were good. But it sort of made me realize how good I have become at making pancakes घर पर thanks to lockdown and my pancakes were actually better than them. Then मैंने अपने बाल कलर करवाए थे, मैंने हाइलाइट्स करवाए थे एंड हाउ बैडली इट वेंट रॉन्ग. आई एम नॉट गोना गो इनटू डिटेल, उसके ऊपर पूरा एक अलग वीडियो. सो इफ यू आर इंटरेस्टेड यू कैन गो वॉच दैट. मार्च hands down my birthday like 2021 का birthday was my best birthday ever. एक रात पहले like मेरा birthday 3rd March को आता है, so 2nd March को two of my college friends came at my place and हमने से night stay किया था. वो बहुत fun था, उन्होंने मुझे surprise किया था proper room decorate करके. It was very nice. Then next day उठ के I went to a cafe. So that was really good. It was a good place. वहाँ पे भी all of my friends came and gave me as a surprise. I did not really know कि वो आने वाले हैं. I had a feeling but मेरे को नहीं पता था. ठीक है. Then ऐसे okay bye हुआ and then मैं घर आ रही थी वापस and then घर आके all of them were here to surprise me again. So it was really happy, fun and yeah, I love birthdays and my birthday. Then उसके बाद we have one more. There was this trend going on Instagram, तो मैंने बस वो एक sound जो था trendy music वो use किया and I put a twist उस trend पे अपने way में. कोविड की second wave धीरे धीरे बढ़ रही थी. So I decided I want to make a reel to just tell people to wear your goddamn mask. I made a reel on that using that song and viral is not the right word, but it got the most views that I've ever had on Instagram, around 66,000 views, something like that. So yeah, that made me really happy that at least कोई ट्रेंड जो मैंने किया अपना ट्विस्ट डाल के to make it more meaningful, that one got those many views and that engagement that it deserved. मेरा पैर सो गया. So before we get into April, I forgot to mention कि March में I also got an internship, my first ever internship. So that was a moment for me. April was COVID, second wave COVID, and highlight honestly the fact that my body, my family, my friends' family, everyone went through that second wave and came out fine is all I'm grateful for, and I think that's also my highlight of April. May was all about recovering from COVID, creating a lot of content. I'm specifically proud of my video that I made about my COVID journey वाला जो video था. For June की मेरे पास पता नहीं इतनी pictures, इतनी memories भी नहीं है. But June में it was meeting friends after the second wave was धीरे going away. Specifically there was one friend's birthday, so we had a very small happy birthday meeting gathering sort of thing. It was a very small, it's barely 1 घंटे का happy birthday just, but it felt good to see my friends again. जुलाई सीम्स लाइक अ ब्लास्ट, तो मेरे को ऐसे फ़ोन में देख देख के ही बताना होगा क्योंकि ऐसे तो मेरे को याद नहीं रहेगा। जुलाई में एकदम बिगिनिंग में वी वेंट एंड मेट आवर कजिन्स, आई थिंक आफ्टर अ लॉन्ग टाइम। उनकी फैमिली ऑल्सो गॉट कोविड, वी ऑल्सो गॉट कोविड, एंड हम उससे पहले भी इतना नहीं मिले थे बिकॉज ऑफ द लॉकडाउन। सो आई थिंक वी मेट डेफिनेटली आफ्टर एन ईयर, आई थिंक। जो भी है, met them, it felt really good, and all of us cousins we went on the terrace and हम ऐसे कॉफ़ी पी रहे थे। बहुत अच्छी हवा चल रही थी क्योंकि थोड़ा थोड़ा बारिश का मौसम हो रहा था, बहुत हल्की हल्की धूप भी थी। It was a really good and fun time. Then मैंने अपने स्कूल बेस्ट फ्रेंड्स के साथ एक और नाइट स्टे किया था, that was a lot of fun. रिच और मैंने एक नाइट स्टे किया था, that was also a lot of fun. Then I started reading this book, Healing is the New High. It is a really good book. It has helped me a lot with healing and mental health stuff. उस बुक को मैंने काफ़ी ऐसे महीनों में ख़त्म किया because it's a heavy book. It makes you look inside you, which is terrifying. So मैंने उसे धीरे धीरे पढ़ा था, but I started reading it in July. जुलाई में एक और चीज़ है, I did my graduation party for myself. Did I? नहीं, कॉलेज तो पहले फिनिश हो गया था। वाओ, मतलब एक सेकेंड में होल्ड गाइज, जून में एक और चीज़ हुई थी। जून में मैंने अपना कॉलेज ख़त्म किया था, जिसका खुद को ग्रेजुएशन पार्टी / फेयरवेल मैंने जुलाई ऐसे ऑलमोस्ट 1 महीने बाद जब रिजल्ट आ गया था तो मैंने खुद को ऐसे जुलाई में फेयरवेल टाइप दिया था, एंड आई लव्ड दैट फॉर मी। आई एम सो ग्लैड कि मैंने वो किया। Initially I was like, oh, it's just for a video, but it did help me get this closure with my college life जो मुझे नहीं मिलता अगर मैं वो नहीं करती तो। So I'm very glad मैंने वो किया, and even just the video, I'm very proud of that video as well. First August को ही one of my college friends, Aditi, she sent me this McDonald's, ऐसे उसने home deliver करवाया था। I think friendship day था उस पे, and that was a very sweet gesture, and it is a very like core memory in my head. August में again
I had a night stay with my school best friends. It was amazing.
Oh, and then 15th August एक फ्रेंड के घर पे छोटा सा गेट टुगेदर था about 15th August. That was also very fun. मैंने काइट उड़ाई बहुत टाइम बाद। जब हम छोटे थे तो मैं, पापा, भाई हम सब मिलके ऐसे काइट उड़ाते थे, वो बहुत फन होता था। I don't remember why did we stop doing it, but I did it again this year. फ्रेंड के घर पे ऐसे थोड़ा सा काइट उड़ाना, and that just brought me back to those childhood memories, so that was very special. Then I visited my nanny's place. My nanny is no more. I love her, I miss her. And उनके मैं घर गई थी, मैं घर जा चुकी हूँ उनके, मतलब after her going away उसके बाद भी, but this time when I went, I think हम ज़्यादा duration के लिए गए थे, longer period के लिए. So I just went in every room, every corner. I clicked a picture of every room and every corner for my memory, because I have realized this year कि मैं बहुत ही physical spaces के साथ भी memories create करती हूँ, and उस जगह पे जाके मेरे को बहुत hit करते हैं वो memories. So for my memory bank, I clicked pictures of every room, every corner, and I just sat and remembered all the little moments I've spent there. It was an experience. It was a good experience. I'm glad that I did that. Then August में we also came up with the idea of making the short film What Took You So Long. Me and one of my best friends, Vanshita, we did that. In August as well, we came up with the idea, we shot it in August. Wow. September में I had a night stay with my college best friends, and it was a lot of fun. You know, night stays हमेशा क्यों fun होते हैं? Because हम 2-3 महीने में एक बार करते हैं, तो इसलिए वो हमेशा ऐसे fun होता है, because it's catching up on each other's lives and just having fun, creating memories. Me and Mama also went on our little date. हम ऐसे ही mall गए थे, and we shopped a little. We had coffee in McDonald's. We had a little chit chat. That was fun. That was very fun. September में me and Richa also went on this cafe work day टाइप चीज़, एंड हमने बहुत सारा एडिट किया, बातें की, मस्त खाना खाया। वो कैफ़े भी काफ़ी प्यारा था. सो दैट वाज आल्सो वेरी स्वीट नाइस डे. हमने इससे पहले ऐसा कभी वर्क डे टाइप नहीं किया था कैफ़े में. अक्टूबर में आई रिविजिटेड माई कॉलेज जहाँ से मैंने ग्रेजुएशन की है आफ्टर आई डोंट नो 1.5 साल बाद, पता नहीं, कोविड लॉकडाउन के बाद से अब जाके आई विजिटेड माई कॉलेज एंड इट वॉज सो मच फन अगैन विजिटिंग दोज प्लेसेस और हर जगह पे जाके वो ऐसे मेमोरी हिट करना. इट वॉज काफ़ी सारा नॉस्टैल्जिया. I made a video about that also. I've documented everything. Yeah, that was great. Also released first short film. Proud of that. Really proud of that. November में दिवाली थी. Diwali was fine. Diwali was good. I had 3 consecutive Diwali parties. I did not know that मेरी life इतनी happening हो सकती है, but थी, and all of them were equally fun. Yeah, November was just that. Oh no, we do have a big thing in November. In November में I visited my current college for the first time. Post graduation वाला college for the first time. That was that. Got my admission there. Then December तो यार अभी चल ही रहा है. Honestly, December का कोई ऐसा अभी तक एक सेकेंड है highlight. December की मेरी Christmas party जिसका vlog आने वाला है. I promise. Probably Christmas के दिन ही upload करूँगी. Yeah, it was that. This Christmas party was really good. बहुत ही positive and happy vibes थी. So this was it. This was my entire highlights of 2021. I am very happy after just sitting here and looking back on 2021. I did not know, but I'm very grateful for this year. It's actually been quite a good year. Hello, it's time to open day 23 का gift. Wear it and look cute today. मैं ये लाइन मारना नहीं चाहती पर मेरे दिमाग में थी मैं तो पैदा ही क्यूट हुई हूँ. ये सॉक्स मैच करता है वो वाले.
और कितना क्यूट
या हम एक चीज़ दिखाऊं. नर्सरी में जैसे मम्मी बाल बनाती थी ना एकदम वैसे लगते हैं अब क्योंकि छोटे हो गए ऊपर से.
I think एक और ऊपर के लिए
What a cutie. Thanks.
Bye
Bye-bye.